Today we are targeting the villages of Bhattedanda. We will go there and provide some food and tarps. Why did we target these two villages in particular today?
Yeah, that village is a little problem. There is some people is complaining in here, and the government also. And some friends they calling, there is nothing to going. Means nobody have food there. They don't have one packet biscuits. Nobody taking there. Just little bit far away from in the here, and that's why. Maybe.
We came to go to one of the remote part of the South Lalitpur, which is a very hilly district and a hilly area called the Bhattedanda. But while we were on the way, we have unplanned stuff. There were the locals in the midway which were very hungry. They stopped us and they were asking for more than the food. They were in desperate need for the tents and whatever, so that they could make their makeshift homes. Their homes were all destroyed, so we had to negotiate with them, and then with their household people coming in, we have to give them the half of our tarpaulins and seats. But what I see is within that also, the people who got those were the people who were from the nearby roadsides, and still there are a lot of people who are up in the hills, 1.5 hour walk from the main roads. So these people are still deprived of a lot of stops. We also learned a lesson that, or whoever comes, that we have to make a plan and then distribute it very much with the consultation of the local people, and give the stops to them for each and every households.
One for the team. Okay. No problem.
So we are in the Malta, ward number 2. This is the last station of the Lalitpur district. So there is the Makwanpur district. We are in the between border of the Makwanpur and the Lalitpur districts. So this is our last stop for the help. So we came here, and there are around 100 houses, but we have only the 17 tents left. So we are giving high priority to the Dalit. Here are around the 5 to 10 houses of Dalit. Dalit are the low-caste people who are very poor and marginalized group.